so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine, like the stars had all aligned.
Oh yeah, GMC right there.
Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed my second car shoot right here. The first car shoot, if you didn't see it, go check it out. It's a Dodge Charger, and I'm just not starting out, so hopefully y'all enjoy it. But no further ado, what am I talking about? Anyways, that's all for today. Like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's just like a magnet.